That's me. So I will share my screen. Got a small one for you today regarding an ask from one of our customers, one of our embed customers, to hide some of the navigation elements just because they want to actually build a lot of their own navigation into their app or their hosted app. So as you can see, I have this very poorly or very crude demo put together of what this might look like. So here I'm on my workbook tab, theoretically in my app. You'll see that there's no option to go ahead and pull out the navigation element, but what I can still do is I can still do all of the application mode stuff that you might want to do in the app, just without navigating to other pages. As an example, I might want to go ahead and create new status count, save that into my documents, and then I can navigate over to the My Content tab and see that that's saved over here. And one thing, just from a nerdy engineering standpoint, we're using in this demo case, and I imagine for the customer that requested this, we're going to be using the two-step login flow. And under the hood, we're not actually generating new set. We don't necessarily need to generate new sessions every time you click on one of these tabs or you open up a new page. The trick underneath is that we're actually just generating 4 sessions at once. So generating one for my content, generating one session for Hub, one for dashboard, and one for workbook. And then on every click, redeeming that session repeatedly. And just to refresh, redemption of a session is valid for 24 hours. So the expectation is that in this case, like for the customer, they would generate a session once per day, maybe midnight or whenever their user logs in, and then from there they can just perform the redemption whenever they're clicking around. So should be a lot faster because none of the CRUD operations are happening whenever we click on one of these tabs. So yeah.
Elliot, is it theoretically possible to push an event to have the app nav itself so that we don't get the flicker?
Not at the moment, but I imagine that will be an ask in the soon to near future or soon to long future or so.
Yeah, so theoretically possible, yes, just not done today. Is that what the answer is?
I would need to poke at it. I'm not sure off the top of my head how I would do that.
Hey, can I jump in?
Sure.
It's absolutely possible, and I think it's one of the things, I forget which customer we're doing this for, but it's one of the things that they asked for by July.
Cool.
So
Okay.
yeah, we're gonna do it.
And Elliot, I think you're right. It's gonna come up quick.